A 200 turn coil of self-inductance 20 millihenry carries a current of 4 milliampere. Find the magnetic flux linked with each turn of the coil. This is a direct question. So the number of turns is n. So the number of turns per pi is a magnetic flux. So n pi, which is equal to L into I. That is, the flux is directly proportional to induced current. So the induced current is a self-inductance. So we have to put L. So n pi, which is equal to Li. Pi is equal to Li by n. So substituting the L value, I value and n value. L is a 20 into 10 power minus 3 because millihenry is a 10 power minus 3 and this I is a 4 milliampere. 4 into 10 power minus 3 by the number of turns is 200. We get the flux value 4 into 10 power minus 7. The SI unit of flux is Weber. So 4 into 10 power minus 7 Weber. Next problem is what is the self-inductance of an air core solid 50 centimeter long and 2 centimeter radius if it is has 500 turns. So the L is given, the length of the solenoid is 50 centimeter long, that is 50 into 10 power minus 2 meter. The radius of the coil is 2 centimeter, that is 2 into 10 power minus 2 meter. The number of turns in the solenoid is 500. So mu naught is equal to 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 Tesla meter per ampere. So the self-inductance L is equal to mu naught n squared A by L. So directly you substitute all the given values, we arrive the solution. L is equal to 7.89 into 10 power 4 Henry. So dear students, this is a direct self-inductance problem. Then the last problem is over a long solenoid of a same 50 centimeter length and 2 centimeter radius having a 500 turns. So that means what is given in this previous problem, the same coil only given is wounded over the another wire of 50 turns near the center. That means there is a 2 solenoids will be there. Here the mutual inductance will be coming. So calculate the mutual inductance of the coil. Induced EMF in the second coil when the current in the primary coil changes from 0 to 5 ampere in a fraction of second, 0.02 second. So the given value is N1 500 turns, number of turns in the secondary coil is 50 turns. R is a 2 centimeter means 2 into 10 power minus 2 meter, and the length of the solenoid coil is 50 centimeter means 50 into 10 power minus 2 meter. So mu naught, which is equal to 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 Tesla meter per ampere. So substituting these values in the mutual inductance formula, M is equal to mu naught N1 N2 A by L. So the self-inductance formula and the mutual inductance formula are similar. Here the same wire, so the single coil, so the N squared will come. Here the two coils, primary coil and the secondary coil, so N squared will become N1 into N2. So mu naught, which is equal to N1 N2 pi R squared. Area is a pi R squared by L. So M value is substitute that mu naught by 4 pi 500 pi value 2 into 10 power minus 2 the whole square is the R square value. Then the length of the wire, what is the length of the wire? It is a 50 centimeter. So we can substitute 50 into 10 power minus 2 meter. Here also 50 into 10 power minus 2 meter. So we get that 78.96 into 10 power minus 6 Henry, that is a micro Henry. Then the second question is calculate the induced EMF in the second coil due to the current flow in primary coil. The current change, the change in current will be di by dt is equal to the current changes from where to where, that is a 0 to 5 ampere. That is a maximum current is 5 ampere and it will be 0 is a minimum current and the time will be 0.02 seconds. So instead of di, that EMF is equal to minus m by di by rate of change of current, then E is equal to mutual inductance value we already derived, then calculated, that is 78.96 into 10 power 6 into the change in current 5 minus 0 by What is the time? 0.02, that is 2 into 10 power minus 2. So solving these numbers, we arrive the EMF value as minus 19.74 into 10 power minus 3 volt. So dear students, so this problem solving will be helpful for your term test 2 exam also. So already we have solved some 4 problems in the previous week videos. So watch these videos also for your examination preparation purpose. So for PT2 examination, prepare well for the seekers test as well as the school examination test. So I will upload the pages very clearly. Already the formula list for the all the 6 units from first unit to 6 units are already uploaded in Google Classroom. Kindly go through this formula list. You have to write the formula list on your own. Just I will give the hint. A few formulas maybe you may add on your own, when whatever you need to add in the formula list. So do your exam well. Thank you, students.